Hello everyone, this is Utso and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of Facebook hacking courses. In this video, I wanna tell you the ways of Facebook hacking. Which type is best for Facebook hack? There are many ways to hack a Facebook account. So let's start the tutorial. Oh no, stop. The most important thing, don't hack anyone without her permission. And also stay safe. Facebook can be a great way to stay in connect with friends and family, but it can also make you a more vulnerable. Your account likely has a ton of personal data, so you should keep yourself safe and secure. There are many ways to hack a Facebook account, as like phishing, password gambling, zero-day attack, cookies stealing, browser extension hacking, malware application hacking, social engineering, browser vulnerabilities, etc. and so many ways. Now it's coffee break because coffee is very important for hacking. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack where an attacker sends a message to track a human. Phishing awareness is become a great harm. For instance, from 2017 to 2020, phishing attackers have increased from 72 to 86% among businesses. There are many types of phishing attacks, as like email phishing, clone phishing, voice phishing, SMS phishing, page phishing, calendar phishing, etc. First is email phishing. Most phishing messages are delivered by email, so this is very easy task to find our victims. Voice phishing is also popular. Hackers will dial a large quantity of phone numbers and play with them. By this, they can hack your bank account and your personal data and credit cards. Now it's about Keylogger. A software-based keylogger is a computer program designed to record any output from the keyboard. This is easy. Keylogger are used in IT organizations, solved technical problems with computer and business networks. Families and business properties use keyloggers largely to monitor network. The most important thing is most keylogger are not stopped by HTTPS extensions. Now it's about brute force attack. This is an old attack method, but it's still effective, popular with hackers. Brute force attack uses trial and error to guess login information or find a hidden web page. Hackers work through all possible combinations hoping to guess correctly. This video is educational purposes only. Please don't hack anyone without her permission. Password grabbing is also a process of Facebook hacking. Someone think that they can hack a Facebook account by one click, but it's impossible because there is a high quality of security team in the Facebook. So if you think you can do it, it's totally impossible. But there are some vulnerabilities for Facebook. So if you understand the vulnerabilities, you can easily hack. But without this, you cannot hack this. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe.